how to add or remove phone numbers to the fixed dialing numbers FDN list on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the More button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. In Code Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Supplementary Services. Now wait for a few seconds. Here, tap on Fixed Dialing Numbers. And then tap on FDN List. In here, you'll be able to remove a phone number or add a new one. So tap on the More button at the top here. Then tap on Add. From here, give it a name. So give the number a name. Then put in the phone number. And then put in a PIN. Then tap on Saved. And that's it. To remove the contact or the phone number, just open it. Then tap on the top here, the menu, tap on the More button, then tap on Delete Contact. We need to put in the PIN to remove it. Then tap on OK. And that's it. So we have now removed the fixed dialing contact. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.